Hello everyone and welcome back to another video.
And today we will discuss that how you can create Twitter account without using phone number.
So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, let's go to our Twitter app and then click on create account button. Then select your preferred language and then click the next button. Here you can enter the name for your account. Then enter an email address. So let me enter my email address. After you have entered your email address, select your date of birth and then click on next button. Click next button again and then confirm all of your details and then click sign up button. Then a verification code will be sent to your email address. So enter that verification code and then click the next button. Now you have to create the password for your account. Make sure it's at least 8 characters or more. And after you are done, click the next button. You can upload a profile picture if you want to, but I will skip it for now. Now you have to create a username. And after you have entered your username, click the next button. Click continue button. Allow Twitter to access your contacts. Now you have to select at least 3 interests which you would like to see on Twitter. And then click the next button. Click the next button again. You can follow the accounts you like and then click the next button. Hit the next button again.
And that's it. That's how you can create Twitter account without using phone number.
I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.